In this short video tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to start control panel of Xampp. First, you have to start Apache and MSQL both. Once you started, you can go to your local browser, localhost, and slash dashboard, and you can see your main screen. And also by clicking on PHP my admin, you can see that screen as well. After this, one important thing is context editor, which you can download it from Google. Once you download it, you can make a file in it, in the folder name in Xampp where you have installed it, and in that one there is a folder name htdocs. In that folder you can create your PHP file. You can name any name, but it should be with PHP. My first file PHP, which I made it, so you can see that with the file name extension is PHP, and also on both bars it is PHP. Now go back to the browser again, because we already have make a file, my first file.php. So you click it and you can see there is nothing inside it. But if you go back to your context editor, you can write down something, and that same text will be visible in your Chrome file. And also when we move forward, we can do the things in more advance. So that's it. This is